Hello again, everyone. Okay, so if you watched that box that I made for the sign that I needed to wrap, I'm already wrapping it, and I looked out that the wrapping paper was wider than the box, so that worked out. I just had to cut it long enough. And I was really worried about these ends, getting them to look nice and neat. If you can see that, this one turned out really well. Since the boxes weren't completely straight, the wrapping paper is kind of off a little bit. So that's what made me worry about whether or not I could get this to look good. But so far, it's turning out really well. So all I've done here is I just pinched in the side and made them pretty even. And I just creased that down like that. And I want the bottom one to be a little bit longer, so when I fold it over, it won't, this one won't overlap it. I don't want it to show. And as you can see, this one comes out a little bit further, so they don't match up exactly the same. Pinch that down like that. And that one's overlapping a little bit, so I'm going to pinch it down a little different. Okay, so I've got those pinched down, and I'm just going to carefully fold that over, and hopefully it'll work out like the last one did. And I pull it tight. And as you can see, that bottom is going to come up a little bit. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this over all the way across. Make a crease there. I could crease it under or over, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to try this again. I'm going to pull it as tight as I can. I'm going to go ahead and tape right there because it's trying to gather a little bit. So I'm going to fold this. There we go. And I hate Scotch tape. There we go. So I'm going to tape it in the center here. Maybe. Okay. And I'm going to tape it. Just going to keep going out a little bit, make sure that it's all perfect. And I'm going to have to fold that under just a tad bit more, and then try to crease it down. Just a piece of tape there, and then right there. Okay, so I made this perfect little sleeve for this sign, and then it wrapped up really pretty. You can see the ends, much better than I thought it would. And here's the front side. And then I will probably add this bow that I made earlier, so it will stand out. And I'll either wrap some ribbon around the center and attach that to it, or I'll just tape it to the package itself. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.